Hello, my name is Sergio Martinez and I will be doing problem 32. So in problem 32 they're asking us to find the equation of the tangent line to the function fx at the indicating point and to sketch the graph of the original and the tangent line that we find. So step 1, we need to find the derivative and with this get your slope or m. So first of all, we can see in our equation we have the square root. We need to get rid of the square root by seeing, okay, here in my x I have an exponent 1, so I'll put a 1. And I have a square root. A square root, in other words, means a 2. So this 2, we'll put it down here. So in our next equation we will have 2 times x plus 1 exponent 1/2, which we got from the square root plus 3. Next, we need to keep doing our derivative by using the chain rule. So the chain rule consists of getting this 1/2 down here. So if we get this 1/2 down here, we'll have 2 times 1/2 times x plus 1 exponent minus 1/2. The reason we have a minus 1/2 here is because we subtracted 1 from the 1/2, leading us to have a negative 1/2 times 1, which is the derivative from the x plus 1 plus 0, because if we don't have an exponent in a number, the case being here the 3 doesn't have an exponent, this will be equal to 0. Next, we will have to see if we don't have any negative in any exponents. In this case we do. The 1/2 has a negative. The way to get rid of this 1/2 is bringing the 1/2 down with the x. So in this case we'll have 1, because 2 times 1/2 times 1 equals 1, over x plus 1, being that we brought the x1 down here, and this turning to a positive 1/2. So here I need to turn this 1/2 back to a square root, because every time they give me a square root in my original equation, I need to turn the exponent back to the square root. So this is very easy. You just need to do the inverse you did to the square root to turn it to exponent. So here I have a 1, so I'll have a x, 1, 2, so I'll have a square root. If, for example, I had 1 over 3, I would have a cubic root, but in this case I only have a 2. So my answer will be the derivative equals to 1 over square root x plus 1. So next I need to substitute in my answer of my derivative. In the x I will have to put the x point they gave me in my question. So here I have m equals 1 over square root 3 plus 1, I already substituted it, equals 1 over square root 4 equals 1/2. And my slope would be m equals 1/2. Now you need to find the y of your equation. The way to do this is to substitute in the original equation. In the x, you need to put the point that you were given in the original equation. So the point they gave me was a 3. This is my original equation already substituted. So I had y equals 2 square root 3 plus 1 plus 3. Next, I just need to solve it. And my point would be 3, 7. So step 4, using the formula y minus y1 equals m x minus x1, I will need to substitute the information I already got from the previous equations. So here I wrote my information and I will substitute it y minus 7, which is the y from the points I got, equals 1/2, which is the slope I got from the derivative, times x minus 3, which is the x they gave me in the question. And my answer is y equals 1/2 x plus 11/2. In the next equation they're asking me to graph both original equation and tangent line. First I will graph the original equation. What I do is put a table of values, so I have 0, 1, 2, 3, and I substitute these numbers in my original equation. Here I have the tangent line I got, and I do the same thing. I give x values and I substitute the x values in the original equation. An example of graphing this, it would be 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here's my point. And that is my two graphs, and that is the whole problem. Thank you for watching.